Welcome. If you want to let a specific friend view your story on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Whether you've adjusted your privacy settings before or you're just getting started, follow these simple steps to make sure your friend can see your latest updates. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you straight to your profile page, where you can manage everything about your Snapchat experience. Next, tap on My Friends. You'll see a list of everyone you've added. Scroll through the list and find the friend you want to enable story viewing for. When you spot their name, press and hold down on it. This brings up a menu with several options. At the top of this menu, tap on the three dots. Then select Chat and Notification Settings. Here you'll see a range of privacy and notification options specific to that friend. Now, tap on Privacy Settings. This section lets you control what this friend can see and interact with. Look for the switch labeled My Story. Toggle this switch on. By doing this, you're allowing this friend to view your stories whenever you post them. That's it. Your selected friend can now see your stories as soon as you share them. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and toggle the switch off. Customizing who can view your Snapchat stories gives you control over your privacy and lets you share moments with exactly who you choose. Remember, you can always return to these settings to make adjustments as your friend list changes or your preferences evolve. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more Snapchat tips and keep your stories shared with the friends you trust most. Happy snapping!